Do you remember the criteria for congruence of triangles? In this class, we will do the exercise 7.1 and we use two congruency rule, side angle side and angle side angle. Side angle side congruency rule, two triangles are congruent if two sides and included angle of one triangle are equal to two sides and included angle of another triangle. In triangle ABC and PQR, if AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR and their included angle B is equal to Q, then the two triangle ABC and PQR are congruent. Second congruency rule, side angle side. Angle side angle. The two triangles are congruent if two angles and included sides of one triangle are equal to two angles and included sides of another triangles. Then the two triangles are congruent. In triangle, this triangle and this triangle, two angle. Let us name them ABC and PQR. If B is equal to Q and C is equal to R and BC is equal to QR, then the two triangles will be congruent. It is called angle side angle. There is another congruency rule. If the side is not included, then we call this angle side congruency rule. This is angle side congruency rule. Here the sides is not included. Now we go to the exercise 7.1. In 7.1, given that the quadrilateral ABCD, ACBD, AB is the bisector of angle A. Given AB is the bisector of angle A and side AC is equal to BD. Now we show that triangle ABC in quadrilateral given ACBD, AC is equal to AD and AB bisect angle A. To show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. Again, is BC is equal to BD? Now solution. In triangle ABC and ABD, AC is equal to AD given angle CAB is equal to angle DAB and AB is common side. Now we get that two sides AC and AD and AB common. So side or this angle and this angle also equal. So side angle or one side common. So side angle side, we can say that these two triangles are congruent. Again, since we proved that triangle ACB is congruent to triangle ADB, so by CPCT we can say that BC is equal to BD. Now we prove this. Now second question. In this question, ABCD, given that ABCD is a quadrilateral, and given that AD is equal to BC and angle DAB is equal to CB, A. We have to prove that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBA. Again, BD is equal to prove BD is equal to AC, and angle ABD, this angle is equal to BAC, this angle. We have to prove this angle and this angle equal. Now solution. In triangle ABD and BAC, what are given? AD is equal to BC and angle DAB is equal to CBA, and AB is the common side. So by side, angle, side, this side and this side equal, and this common side means AB is common to both triangle. You see, AB is in the triangle ABD and AB is also in triangle ABC. So we say that AB is common to both triangle. AB side. AD is equal to BC, AB is common side, and this triangle is equal to DAB is equal to CBA, given this. So all are given, only we find that AB is common. So by side angle side, we can say that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ABC. And by CPCT, CPCT means corresponding part of congruent triangle. Now you see, BD is a part of ABD and AC is a part of triangle BAC. So by CPCT we can say that BD is equal to AC, and by CPCT we can say that angle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. This angle is also equal by CPCT. Thank you. I think you can understand. Try to understand. Thank you.